Jain, who's the chairman and managing director. First up, congratulations to you on the listing on the National Stock Exchange. I want to know what exactly is the message that you'd like to give investors, and you must indeed be a fairly happy man.
Yeah, the idea was that once we get listed on NSE, it will have a bigger platform and expand our reach among the investors. And it is reflection of our endeavor to be more investor-friendly. So, apart from the BSE now, we are happy that it is being listed on NSE also.
Yes, indeed. Mr. Jain, I want to talk a little bit about some of your existing key facilities and what are they operating at and what is the expansion plan here?
Right now we operate in two different stone verticals. One is granite, and I'm happy to tell that we are one of the few companies which is fully integrated company, right from starting with our own captive quarries, then processing in two different export-oriented units, and also marketing directly to more than 50 countries for quite some time. So this is one of our granite division, what I'm talking about. The other division is our wholly owned subsidiary called Pokarna Engineered Stone Limited, which is the only Indian company with Breton stone technology to manufacture quartz surfaces. And this plant is in Visakhapatnam, where we are the only company in India with license from Breton to manufacture quartz surfaces, which is presently the most flavored product in the European and American market for kitchen countertops. So apart from these two stone businesses, we are also into garment business. We have a brand called Contra. Our focus for expansion is, of course, even in granite, we continue to expand with acquiring new granite quarries.
Right. Mr. Chand, how much of your total revenue is exports and how has the currency fluctuation impacted the export segment?
Very frankly, the engineered stone is a special economic zone company where we operate out of special economic zone, and 95% of the business comes from exports. From day one, it is mainly focused on export business. Also, the granite business is mainly focused on export business, but there the business is around 75% coming from export market.
Now, you've performed fairly well in Q4. Your total income from operations also has inched up. What is the outlook for the coming quarters?
Well, we really don't foresee or predict future outlook, but as far as granite is concerned, we should continue to do the same.
I just want to understand from you is whether or not you can maintain this kind of a trajectory or not.
Yes, of course, we will be able to maintain this definitely.
Any fundraising plans on the anvil?
Right now, no.
Okay.
No, not really.
Okay, Mr. Jain, thank you for joining in, giving us a glimpse of how business is shaping up for the company. So, investor-friendly business model has enabled the NSE listing, and they're talking about how, yes, they will be able to maintain traction when it comes to their financials as well. For now, quiet as ever for the stock at 935. Okay, let's get in some views on the markets. Chandan Taparia is with us on the show. Chandan, walk us through your assessment on the index. A bit of a cool-off, as we said, is nothing that's unusual. It's a little bit in line with what market experts were predicting, given the fact that the markets have been on a solid up move. 83.34, what's the outlook?
Yes, good morning. After a rally of around 5 to 6 trading session, now market is finding some profit booking at higher levels. On 24th of June, post the Brexit event, Nifty made low near to 7927, then continued its rally for 6 trading session and hit the high near to 83.98. But from last 2 trading session, it is witnessing some subdued trading session, finding some call writing at 8400 strike. But the interesting part is market is holding above its 50-day moving average and respecting to its multiple support of 8300 zone. So I think till it holds above 8300 zone, it may consolidate. But holding above 8380 would start the next leg of rally. So as of now, the 8300 to 8380 is trading range, and either side breakout on market may give the rally of around 100 to 150 points. So the medium term trend may remain intact because of the some call writing at higher strike market is finding pressure. So those who are holding the position, one should watch the 8300 levels as a key mark to decide the next move of the market.
Okay, those are some important levels. The market's just about finding their feet around the 8340 mark. Hindalco, HUL, Reddy's, those are some of the star performers in trade today. Tell you what, we'll take a quick break right here on the show, but stay with us. On the other side, we get you some dealing room checks as well as get in the management then of ITD Cementation. S. Ramnath, the CFO, is with us.
Top of the world with Times Network. And you're watching ET Now.
In association with VSE, the world's fastest exchange with a speed of 6 microseconds.
Good afternoon, sir. आइए.
हम में और आप में क्या फर्क है? बस इतना कि हम टेबल के इस तरफ बैठे हैं.
सर, लाइए. मैं भर देती हूँ.
प्लीज लीजिए.
अरे 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 भैया बंद कर रहे हो क्या? भाई ड्राफ्ट की लास्ट डेट है. बेटी का साल वेस्ट हो जाएगा.
वरना बच्चे तो हमारे भी लास्ट मिनट पे ही जागते हैं.
बात तो सुनिए.
सर आप अंदर आ जाइए.
थैंक यू. क्लियर.
इमरजेंसी हमारी जिंदगी में भी बिना बताए आती है.
He'll be okay, मैम.
और सहारे के 2 शब्दों की अहमियत हम भी समझते हैं.
हम हैं आरबीएल बैंक.
इंडिया के फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग बैंक्स में से आरबीएल बैंक अपनों का बैंक.
Hetic Fittings. Make your furniture work beautifully.
This is the kind of wardrobe I always wanted. A delight to use. A gentle push and everything I need is right at my fingertips.
Hetic Fittings. German quality you can trust.